Adam Spong here with the latest update. I switched accounts, so this is new Lego day. I'll be out shopping, so I'll come back and show one. But for the toolboxes is the orange, some pepper, brown, red, which did yesterday, dark grey, and this started on the 10, you call it tan, I always call it creamy, and yellow, and finally green. And when I come back to this room, it'll have a wall of like IKEA shelves with this little system of blue, green, pink and purple and yellow, so it will be Lego matched to the colours. Finally have it all sorted. So that's it for today. Just a little update for my Lego sorting. It's fun, Lego sorting. Everyone should do it. Okay, now next one should be 28th of January after I build all the stuff I buy today. So see you then. See you next week.